Top 5 foolproof herbs for beginners. So you want to start an herb garden but have zero experience? No worries. Herbs are some of the easiest plants to grow, and they reward you with fresh flavors, lovely aromas, and even medicinal benefits. But not all herbs are created equal. Some require more patience and care, while others are practically unkillable. If you're looking for herbs that thrive with minimal effort, these 5 are your best bet. Number 1. Basil, the ultimate beginner's herb. If you love Italian food or just pesto in general, basil is a must-have. It grows quickly, thrives in warm weather, and only asks for plenty of sunlight and regular watering. The best part? The more you pinch off leaves, the more it grows. Just make sure to plant it after the last frost, as basil is not a fan of the cold. Easy care tips. Keep it in a sunny spot, at least 6 hours of direct light, water it when the soil feels dry, and never let it flower unless you want it to stop producing leaves. Number 2, mint, the wild child. Mint is basically the overachiever of the herb world. It grows fast, spreads like crazy, and is nearly impossible to kill. That's why most gardeners recommend growing it in a pot unless you want your entire yard to smell like a mojito. It's perfect for teas, desserts, and even freshening up your drinking water. Easy care tips. Keep it in partial to full sun, water regularly, and prune it often to keep it from taking over. If planting in the ground, use a barrier to contain its aggressive roots. Number 3, rosemary, the forgetful gardener's best friend. If you tend to forget to water your plants, rosemary will be your best friend. This Mediterranean herb thrives on neglect and prefers dry soil. It has a strong, earthy aroma and is perfect for seasoning meats, potatoes, and bread. Plus, it's a perennial, meaning it comes back year after year. Easy care tips. Give it full sun, well-draining soil, and avoid overwatering. It prefers to be on the dry side rather than soggy. Number 4, thyme, the low-maintenance flavor booster. Thyme is another hardy, drought-resistant herb that thrives in various conditions. It has tiny, fragrant leaves that add a savory touch to roasted vegetables, soups, and meats. Plus, it's a perennial, so it'll stick around for years with minimal effort. Easy care tips. Loves full sun, prefers dry soil, and doesn't mind a little neglect. Once established, it barely needs watering. Number 5, chives, the cut and come again herb. Chives are one of the easiest herbs to grow, and they come back year after year with very little effort. They have a mild onion-like flavor and are perfect for garnishing soups, salads, and eggs. Plus, their purple flowers attract pollinators, making them a great addition to any garden. Easy care tips. Keep them in full sun, water occasionally, and trim them regularly to encourage new growth. They're incredibly hardy and will survive most weather conditions. Thanks for discovering these foolproof herbs for beginners. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking to start their own herb garden. Which of these herbs are you excited to grow? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to take your herb growing skills even further, check out our next video on 12 herbs you can grow in water. Until next time, life is better when you garden.